Hi YouTube, I'm THACH, and today I'm gonna show you how to eat vegetable. I just bought it on the street and it just look too good with the red vegetable and also white. Mmm. Okay, now I'm gonna open the plastic bag and I'm gonna grab to taste. Oh wow, it is look too good. Looks so beautiful, colorful. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Mmm. Oh wow. It is sweet, juicy, and fresh. Oh. There is the red one, and oh wow. I'm gonna test with another is white. Oh, bigger. Mmm. Fresh, but a bit sour than the red one. But the seller tell me if I want to taste it well, I need to eat with salt and chili. So maybe in there. Oh yes. Oh here. So I'm gonna eat with the salt. I want to know how different flavor is. Mmm. Pretty good. The flavor is a little bit salty and sour. Oh, sit inside. Almost fall out. It is very good. It is fresh. I think the red one is better because the red one is a little bit sweet, nothing sour. Oh yeah. Awesome for red one. This one is very good. Let's see here is oh wow. But it's good. That is how to eat vegetable at my style. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're new here. Thank you very much for watching and see you in this next video.